Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel FNB credit card. To cancel your FNB credit card, the first thing you need to do is to visit the FNB official website. Launch open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top and type in fnb.co.za and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for FNB. Now, click on the Contact Us button at the top right corner of the screen and expand the Contact Us tab. On the next page, you can contact FNB customer service representative through these options. In order to cancel your credit card, what you can do is simply click on the Call Us button and select Credit Cards option from the drop-down on the next page, and you will be able to see the toll-free number displayed on the side of the page. Here you can simply go ahead and call on the number displayed. You can choose the number whether you are dialing outside South Africa or inside. Simply go ahead and make a phone call and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card, ensure you have no outstanding balances, redeem your reward if you have a reward program for your card, and be sure to redeem any points or miles you've accumulated before closing the credit card. Follow through the instructions till the end, and you will also need to verify your identity throughout the process. And once you follow through the instructions, you will then be able to cancel your credit card for FNB. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.